Dear student, today we discuss about the differentiability of a function. Previously we discussed about the continuity of a function when a function is said to be continuous. Now we will discuss when a function fx is said to be differentiable. Differentiable means that is when the function of x has a derivative. If derivative exists, then the function is known as a differentiability. So here the function fx is said to be differentiable at a point x is equal to a, if the left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Then a function fx is said to be differentiable at a point x is equal to a when the left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. And what is the left hand derivative? Left hand derivative is f dash a minus. What is its value? Its value is limit h tends to 0 function of a minus h minus function of a divided by minus h. Similarly, what is the right hand limit? Right hand limit is f dash a plus. What is its value? Limit h tends to 0 function of a plus h minus function of a divided by plus h. Then if the left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative, then the function fx is said to be differentiable at the point x is equal to a. Take an example. Test differentiability of fx is equal to modulus of 1 minus 1 by x at x is equal to 1. Then we have to test the differentiability. So test the differentiability means we have to find the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative. If both are equal, then it's said to be differentiable. So first we have to find here what is fx. Fx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x modulus. And what is the point a here? A is equal to 1 here. So if you have to find the left hand derivative, what is the left hand derivative? That is limit, that is f dash 1 minus which is equal to our limit h tends to 0 function of a minus h. A minus h means 1 minus h minus function of 1 divided by minus h. Then what is its value? Limit h tends to 0. What is function of 1 minus h? Here what is function of x here? Function of x is given by 1 minus 1 by x modulus. So what is the function of 1 minus h? What is its value? Replace 1 minus h in place of x here. 1 minus 1 by 1 minus h the modulus. Now replace it. The modulus of 1 minus 1 minus h the modulus. Minus. What is function of 1 here? What is function of 1? You replace 1 in place of x here. So 1 minus 1 by 1 the modulus. That is 1 minus 1 by 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 modulus is 0. So you have to replace function of 1 as a 0 divided by minus of h. Then which is equal to, that is our limit h tends to 0. Now it is the modulus of, take the LCM, 1 minus h is a LCM. Then here 1 minus is multiplied with 1 minus 1 modulus minus 0 divided by minus h. here minus 1 plus 1 are cancelled, that is limit h tends to 0, that is minus h. Now we can write here minus h modulus by 1 minus h modulus divided by minus h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the modulus of minus h? Modulus means always positive comes here. So minus h modulus is plus h. And 1 minus h modulus is same 1 minus h. Because h is a very small positive quantity. And it is minus of into minus h. Then which is equal to minus h is cancelled here. Limit h tends to 0. Minus is cancelled with plus h. Minus 1 by 1 minus h. Now replace h as 0. Then minus 1 by 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, which is equal to minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1 is the left hand derivative. Now here left hand derivative is equal to minus 1. So we solve the right hand derivative. What is the right hand derivative? Right hand derivative is f dash 1 plus f dash 1 plus. What is f dash 1 plus? That is limit h tends to 0 function of 1 plus h minus function of 1 divided by plus h. Then which is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is function of 1 plus h? Then function of x is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So if you take your function of 1 plus h here, what is 1 plus h? We have to replace 1 plus h in place of x. So what is its value? 1 minus 1 by 1 plus h. Then you replace it here is 1 by 1 plus h. That is 1 minus 1 plus 1 by h minus. What is function of 1? Function of 1 is 0 divided by h here. So which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now we have to take the LCM here. LCM is 1 plus h. Here is 1 plus h minus 1 modulus. Minus 0 divided by plus h. Then which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Minus 1 and 1 are cancelled. Again it is modulus of h by 1 plus h modulus into h here. Then which is equal to limit h tends to 0. H modulus is h by 1 plus h into h here. Then h and h are cancelled. That is 1 by, now h is replaced by 0. 1 plus 0. And 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1 here. Now here left hand derivative is minus 1 and your right hand derivative is equal to plus 1. And here left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. So fx is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So this one is the differentiability of a function. So the differentiability means you have to solve now exercise 7J from your elements book. Thank you.